Welcome aboard, guys, for another chapter of The Long Way Home. Unfortunately, in this episode, we've not got no motorcycle riding. We did lose a memory card. So, for the next couple of episodes, there's a lot of walk around footage and that of stuff we did, but not actual bike riding. But still, the great same quality you expect from KimmyRuss Adventures. And the bike riding will be back real soon. So enjoy, guys. Have a blast watching them.
I'm not heading for the stars, driving down the boulevard at night. Playing Coldplay on repeat, watching people on the street as I go by. And it doesn't even matter to me where I go, I just feel I need to take a ride. Got my coffee cup to go, and I'm gonna hit the road tonight. Now my wheels in motion and my windows open with the wind blowing in my hair. I'm driving down the highway, gonna do this my way. I can feel it in the air.
We come prepared today, didn't we, eh? We come prepared.
I'll show you what I took a photo of
What?
while I was in the toilet.
I don't think I really want to know, guys. Really did not want to know about
The toilet?
that. That was too much for Kimmy, that was. It was head fuck.
She wants to play.
She shouldn't have went like that, should she? Well, you've been back to the corner, haven't you? Come on now,
You can hear all those horns tooting. They're our fans.
just like every other room we move into. She thinks she can hide things from old Rusty, eh? Bit long.
Somebody's coming.
Hey guys, what's the matter, mate?
We can't show people this.
Okay, guys, where do you think we are? What do you reckon, mate?
We're in New South Wales.
We're in New South Wales. Look at this. Yes, it's a bit busy here, isn't it, babe? What are we doing?
Yeah.
Oh, Kimmy, I forgot my wallet.
Oh.
Can you hold this? That's recording.
Okay.
That's
He forgot
recording.
his wallet. Because I think we don't need to pay to get into this place.
We don't, but what happens if we want to drink or something?
Yeah, if we want to drink
Or buy a souvenir.
a non-alcoholic beverage,
Or a souvenir.
possibly a souvenir.
No, come over here. I'll show them. We come prepared today, didn't we, eh? We come prepared. There's one of them in each of the bags in there, babe.
Have I got some in mine too?
Yes.
Oh, yay.
Yay! You've got your half dozen in there too, babe. Which will turn into my full dozen. This is the CSIRO Parks Radio Telescope, the dish, a visitor's discovery centre, isn't it? So, open till 4:15. Now, the sign out the road said 5, babe. Yeah, that's the bit you like, isn't it? Right, we just got to put our phones in aeroplane mode.
Is it the one with the aeroplane on it?
Yes. Okay, so this is okay because this is Bluetooth. Okay, so that's the dish there, guys. Right there. Do you need to go to the toilet?
Yes.
We're in a new place, of course she needs to. In there, right, babe?
Is this where they were? No.
Yeah, this is where they are. Toilets. Oh, they're right all the way over there now.
Portable.
Yes, portables.
So, they must have been here.
Just here, on the right.
Oh,
That's where they were before. It looks like they're doing them up.
yeah.
Yep. So that's it there. Be careful of snakes here, babe.
Right.
Okay, so we are at the telescope in Parks, and this is it right here. She's big, isn't it? Kimmy's in the toilet. You can probably hear her. If you listen very carefully, you'll probably hear her because she wouldn't have turned her mic off. You listen to the toilet paper she uses. She'll be out in a minute. Look, there she is. Look, there's Kimmy. Kimmy, give her a little wave. Say hello.
Hello.
They heard everything you were doing.
What?
They heard everything you were doing.
Having a pee?
Yeah, well, your mic. You never turned it off.
Of course. I was taking a photo
She's taken a dump, she said.
How am I going to wash my hand? Wipe my hands?
Wipe it on your trousers. Don't be so precious.
Won't notice from the pee anyway.
Yeah, it's only on a Harley Davidson t-shirt.
I'll show you
What?
what I took a photo of while I was in the toilet.
I don't think I really want to know, guys. What?
And I think when we go to the cafe, I
I don't
need
think we'll go to the cafe.
to get a bottle of water.
What's that say?
Urine colour chart.
Well-
Mine is there. Look, and drink about half a bottle of water.
Come on. I really did not want to know that, did you guys? Really did not want to know about that.
Toilets are very informative.
Didn't want to know about that, babe. Okay, that's a cafe over there, and just there is a visitor centre thing, which we'll go in there in a minute. And see, look, I told you, beware of snakes, guys. We'll go across here and we'll have a little look-see, eh? Look at that. She's River. I don't think she's even moving today, babe, is it? No?
Oh, it doesn't look like
No,
it.
it doesn't look like she's moving.
It'd have to be very slight if it is.
Yeah. Just outside of the town of Parks in the central west region of New South Wales, about 380 kilometres from Sydney, is the Parks Radio Telescope. It's one of the 4 instruments that make up the Australia Telescope National Facility. With a diameter of 64 metres, it is one of the largest single-dish telescopes in the Southern Hemisphere, dedicated to astronomy. It started operating in 1961, but only its basic structure has remained unchanged. The surface control system, focus cabin, receivers, computers and cabling have all been upgraded. Some parts many times to keep the telescope at the cutting edge of radio astronomy. The telescope is now 10,000 times more sensitive than when it was first commissioned. In 1962, the telescope tracked the first interplanetary space mission, Mariner 2, as it flew by the planet Venus. And in July 1969, it was the prime receiving station for the Apollo 11 mission to the moon. The fictional film, The Dish, was based on the real role that the telescope played in receiving video footage of the first moonwalk by the crew of Apollo 11. This we'll take inside and we'll have a look around in the, what do you call it, babe?
Visitor
What do you call it?
centre?
Visitor centre, that's the one. We'll have a look in there. Did you want anything to drink or eat?
No, I think my urine's right.
Well, according to you, it ain't. Hey? You sure?
Yeah, it only says half a
Okay,
bottle.
so that's the cafe over there, guys. Mouse in the house. Just for kids, babe.
Oh. What happened then? Oh, you've got to get one there and one there.
Yeah, it's not working like it should, is it, babe? Is that old-proof, babe? That old-proof. Okay, we'll go in here and we'll have a little look. So this is the visitor centre. And this just tells you about it all. Oh, we can turn this on. Oh, we're turning it. Can you see that turning, guys?
Is it turning?
Yes. Here's the building of it. That there, guys, is the pod we were just looking at outside when they were lifting it up on top. Look at the size of the crane. Lifting it up there.
That's crazy.
She'd be signing that KimmyRuss Adventures, I bet. See, I told you she'd be signing that KimmyRuss Adventures. Souvenirs and everything here. And that is the movie, if anyone hasn't seen it, The Dish.
It's got the solution. You expect the number of pencils to be the same, but an extra pencil appears and disappears 3 pencils in from the right-hand side. Cutting the pencils in different lengths and placing them in a certain position creates the illusion. Wow.
It's already confused her, guys, so don't worry about it.
An extra pencil.
That was too much for Kimmy, that was. It was head fuck.
That's weird. That's just...
Look, she's got to walk. She's got to walk, aren't you, babe?
Nah,
Yeah, of course,
I'm
yeah.
walking away from that. It's still my head in.
Okay then, guys, so that was The Dish here in Parks, New South Wales, Australia.
Can I pat?
Yeah.
Oh, is he gonna come on.
Don't put your hand above his head.
Nope. He wants to play.
He can tell you're scared.
Oh, that's all right.
Oh, poor little fella.
We'll leave you be.
He don't like you because he could tell you were scared. Kim scared the chocolate lab. Look, Kimmy did jump. Kimmy shouldn't have put the hand above the head, should she, guys? She shouldn't have went like that, should she? No. Okay, guys, so that's it. We have got footpaths and everything under construction here, but there is a walking thing in here normally you can go into. Goes all the way in and around there. Just telling you bits and pieces about space and everything, don't it, babe?
Yeah.
So there, things to do and see. Mainly for kids and everything, really, but
yeah,
that is. We are going to hop back on the bikes, hit the road. Oh, bloody car park's full now, guys, look.
Where did everyone go?
Oh, I don't know where they all are. Something's going on, babe. But we're going to hit the road and go towards Dubbo, aren't we?
Yep.
Yep. What you doing, Kimmy?
Trying to get dressed.
Kimmy, come on then, get dressed. Get dressed.
No, leave me alone.
Come on. No, come on, babe.
Leave me alone.
Have you had a shower?
You're not gonna be happy.
Oh, look, you can see in the mirror behind you.
You're not gonna be happy.
Well, you've been back to the corner, haven't you? Come on now,
Go
babe.
away.
Oh, you've lost weight.
It's my dress.
You're slim, taut and terrific now.
This is my pool clothes.
What's underneath it?
Don't upskirt me.
What's underneath it, babe?
Don't be upskirting me.
Get dressed.
No.
Go on, go out and have a drink.
To the pool like this.
Oh,
This is my pool
I'll be
clothes.
following you then. Welcome aboard, guys. We're back. We've had a great day today. We've travelled about 400 kilometres today. We left Canberra in the wee early hours of this morning, about 9:30, wasn't it?
About
9:30?
Yep.
Yeah, about 9:30. Wee early hours. And we ended up in Dubbo today. We left Canberra under very cloudy, misty skies at about 6 degrees, 7 degrees.
It was cold.
Yes, the first 80 or 80, 90, 100 k's is very, very cold. Oh, Rusty, it fucking froze, I can tell you now. But we stopped at a little place, Burrawa, was it?
Yep.
Yeah, Burrawa, I think it was. For brekkie, and after that the sun started coming out and it was pretty good all the way. Wind dropped off a little bit, wasn't it?
Yep.
Once that sun comes out, even if it's cold, it's good. So no, we've had a good trip, stopped into a couple of places on the way and ended up here in Dubbo at the shearing shed, isn't it, babe?
Yeah, it's cool.
This here is the shearing shed. Look, there's Kimmy there in the barbecue area. She's cooking a barbecue later, aren't you, babe?
Yeah.
Yeah, nah. That's the shearing shed sign, and we're in Dubbo, just down from the main street. Now, this here is part of Dubbo. That bit there, wait a minute, I'll put you up so you can see over me fence. See that? Macca's, everything.
You can hear all those horns tooting. They're our fans.
Yeah, no, they know KimmyRuss Adventures in town.
Yep.
True story, isn't it, babe?
Yep.
Good couple of nights at Canberra, didn't we? Great couple of nights at Canberra.
Yep.
Always good to get back on the road, though, isn't it, eh? I'll take you over and I'll show you where the bikes are and what the room is like. There's the bikes there, outside our room. Room number 3. Surprise, surprise, it's no different than any other bloody room, is it, eh? Well, that's got a nice bed and it's got a fucking mess, just like every other room we move into. But this is it here. Electrical nightmare as always, all our stuff. Rusty, there you go, mate. Very comfortable though. Very comfortable indeed. This is the bathroom. We've already used it, of course. Nice big shower and beautiful hot water there. Instant just about. The old bloody shitter there. Everybody wants to see the shit of some. Even got a fucking clothesline. Now I'm thinking, with this clothesline, something like this. Something like this around old Kimmy's neck. Just straight around her neck. And she keeps giving me the shits on the road. What do you reckon? As for everything else, well, everything else is just... Wait a minute, I'll just look for some. Right, we'll just have a little look-see. See what Kimmy's got in here. I'm not real sure what she's got. That's got nothing in there. She's always got stuff hidden. This is her bag here. So, baby. She thinks she can hide things from old Rusty, eh? He's in my pocket. Okay, we'll go back across and we'll see her. See what she's up to. There she is, she's still there. Look, still there waiting for old Rusty. Isn't she, eh? I've showed him around everywhere.
I've got nowhere to go, babe.
Why?
Oh,
Look what we found. Mate!
Oh,
What the fuck? What the fuck, babe? Look.
what have you been doing?
Oh, babe.
You've been in there using that.
No, babe, but I'm just wondering, how come you hid this from old Rusty? Hey? Oh, babe. Sweetie, it's got a black mark on it. What have you been doing with it?
The black
I
mark.
don't know.
You've had it somewhere.
You guys were with me and I found that in her bag. And did I not look in a few places, guys?
Well, where did you stash it?
Oh, Rusty never stashed it. Now, if Rusty had stashed it, Rusty would have found it straight away, wouldn't he? But instead, old Rusty had to go looking, didn't he?
Oh, no, yeah, you
So
you
now
know.
all Kimmy's clothes are out on the floor because
Yeah.
I tipped the bag upside down. You're going to have to pack your bags tonight, girl.
No, you would have known. You would have just gone around there and made out you didn't know where it was because you knew where it was.
No, Rusty. Okay, guys, I've got to go. This has gone a bit long.
Somebody's coming.
There you guys. What's the matter, mate?
You can't show people this. Your private little toys.
Not mine.
Yeah.
Now my wheels in motion and my